Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Are you the type that have to pray, speak in tongues before you make a PAP successfully? No, you don't need all that. Save your prayer for all those more spiritual challenging things. If you understand the basic principles, you can make your PAP easy peasy. Now come closer, let me show you. Now you put your corn pap inside the plate, okay? So this my pap. I made this pap myself and I kept it in the fridge, okay? So that's why I'm using hot water. If you notice, I use hot water so that the basic solution that I'm making, I'm trying to make it as a paste, would be room temperature. And the reason is that so that my hot water will be able to cook it, okay? But if your pap is already in room temperature, just take your room temperature water and dissolve it like this, okay? I just wanted to put that out of the way so that you don't come asking me, why are you using hard water to dissolve it? That's the reason. The pap is very, very cool, super cool, okay? So now if you want your pap to be very, very thick, now you see this mixture here that you're seeing right now, it has to be thick. So the foundation matters. Now, if this is thick, then the outcome of your pap is going to be thick. But if you want it a little bit loose or runny, then you add more water here and make it loose and runny, okay? So those are the basic things you have to consider. Then you're rolling boiling water as you're putting it, you're turning. So you see? My pap is already getting thick. Now, while I was turning, and I noticed that some places are yet not cooked. And what am I going to do? I adjust it. I'm going to put more hot water to cook it. It's as easy as that. You are in control. Don't be afraid. You don't have to kabash in order to make your pap. See, I added more water to cook the part that is showing, white, okay, that is being whitish. So I turn until I got the desired, texture, consistency that I'm looking for. And that is it. Now, I made this pap for 5 of us that were present in the house. And I know that among 5 of us, some like it very thick like this and some like it loose. I'm one of those that like it a bit loose. So the smartest thing to do in that situation is to make it very thick. Now, when I got my own portion, I loosened it with milk and with more warm water. Those that wanted their own thick, they went ahead to enjoy their thickness, and that's it. That is it. Your pap is ready. So if you have not subscribed, click that red button that shows subscribe. Bell sign will show. Click the bell sign that shows all. The option that shows all. That way you receive all my notifications anytime I post a video. So at this point, you just go ahead. If you want sugar, you add honey, whatever is your sweetener, or you just go straight to put in milk and enjoy. So that milk you saw me put is oat milk. I made the oat milk. The video also is in my channel if you want to know how I made this oat milk rather. If you want to know how I made the oat milk, go to my channel. You will see it. That's if I've not posted it, leave me a comment, but I'm going to post it before this week runs out, okay? That's if I've not posted it. So that is it, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Bye. See you in another video. Thank you.